Hello everyone! In this video tutorial I'm gonna go along trading terminal user interface, go over main parameters and show you the basis of using trading terminal. First, it might seem to be complicated, but after some time it is getting clear that user interface built in a very logical and convenient manner. So the first thing I wanna touch base on is the chart. Although majority of exchange platforms use candlesticks with the minimum candlestick of 1 minute, this trading terminal updates chart every second. Moreover, with the release of Moonscalp add-on, we start to see chart with no time gaps at all. In order to expand or squeeze trading chart, use scroll wheel on the mouse, just up and down. If you want to expand or squeeze vertically, then press and hold right click and move mouse up and down. Over here there is a percentage scale. Let's say if I'm pressing 20%, then it means that each cell represents 2%. Same with the 100. The 100 scale, this one cell is gonna be 10%. However, if you wanna expand the chart, you can expand it as much as twice from the amount shown. So let's say if it's 10% and you maximum expand it, then one cell is gonna be 0.5%. In trading terminal, you don't have entire order history preloaded. However, you can click over here and you're gonna have trading view chart opened automatically for this particular coin. In this case it's Bitcoin Cash ABC. So this is gonna give you overall picture of what's going on this coin. On the right side we have order book with bid and ask position. If you point the cursor in any area in the order book, it will show you the amount of coin which stays in position at specific price in BTC equivalent. You can scroll up and down to figure out the walls. By default settings, in order to open up limit by order, simply double click on the order book in the bid section. It's gonna open up the order. Before that, make sure that over here you have start pressed on, otherwise this won't work. In order to move your buy order, simply drag it up and down. In order to execute order immediately, drag it against the ask order book. Then you have sell order set up automatically. You can also drag that on the price you want. Another way to drag sell order is to hold Ctrl and then double click. All of this can be changed for your preferences in a trading terminal settings. If you wanna close the order immediately without waiting market to execute it, just simply drag it against bid portion of order book. After trade, you will see or here in the right corner the percentage of profit or loss and equivalent in the dollars. More about placing limit orders or pending orders I'm gonna explain in my future video tutorials. This video is more about trading terminal user interface and basic functions. I'm gonna start from the upper left corner and show you step by step what each parameter means. First, we're gonna see stop or start button. In order to start trading, you need to make sure that your button is turned on and showing you stop. If you see start, it means that you will not be able to place any order or run any auto strategy. After that, there is a trading terminal settings. More detail about them I'm gonna go in a future video tutorial. Then there is a pairs. Free users are only limited to the BTC pair. However, users who obtain Pro version can trade or each of these pair. Then we have a menu again with the settings. Right now I'm in emulation mode, which can be turned on or off right here. Before turning on, it's gonna show you window state that you're gonna go in entry emulator mode. Just below total BTC means total amount of Bitcoin available on your account on trading platform. After that, current price of BTC. Then BTC change within the hour and 24 hours. Same with the market. This represents the overall market change within 24 hours and an hour. This BNB amount represents total amount of BNB which is located on your exchange account. This scales is to set order to a specific amount. You can just drag it from minimum to the maximum. Another way to select order size is to go to menu, then order size, and change from float to fixed. Then you can go to specific amount in BTC. This is done in order to be able to switch from one order size to other in a fast manner by using hotkeys. In order to change these amounts, just simply go to settings, hotkeys, and then type amount you would like to have. After that, there is sell price. So as I showed before, once your buy order has been executed, sell order is gonna be set up automatically, and this scale represents how high that sell order is gonna be. You can go as high as 100%, and with X9 button it can go to up to 900%. If you wanna your order to be sell order to be set up within 2%, just drag it to minimum and then you enter in scalp mode and go from as low as 0.02 to 2%. This scale is to set up buy price. If you are pressing buy button, trading terminal is gonna execute order immediately by the market price. And in the case if price is going up so fast so you cannot catch it manually here, you can set up ask price to, let's say, plus 5 or more, and then click button buy. By clicking this icon, you can remove the crosses, which represents orders, and have only central line on the chart. This icon is to show all buy and sell orders. So every time you're executing buy or sell order, you'll have a line in order to track where you at. So if you click on it, you will have all buy orders which was executed in the past. This area is for users who obtain move scalp add-on. So volume, vertical volumes, horizontal volumes. This is drawing tools. If you right click on it, you'll have different options starting from levels, lines, triangulars, or Fibonacci level. You can simply delete all of this by clicking remove all. In order to draw a line, click on here, then hold Ctrl and drag. If you want to delete it, point cursor on the edge, then hold Ctrl, right click and remove. This icon shows you that multi-orders is turned on. More about multi-orders I'm gonna explain in my future video tutorials. These small windows is gonna be used to quickly type the coin name. Let's say it's RVN, and the coin is gonna appear in the terminal window. You can close it. In order to enlarge window of particular coin, just simply press right click. And scroll it up and down to see all coins opened. After that, on the right, there is a button called Look for Action. When you pressing it, it's gonna show you all coins that has significant price change comparing to other coins. This is really useful when you just launched trading terminal and you don't know what's going on the market, so you just pressing it and you'll have most volatile coin opened right away. This icon corresponds to favorite markets. Let's say if you want to add this IOST coin to your favorite coins, you can simply click here, add to favorite, and then it's gonna appear in your list. So wherever you add, if you want to quickly open up coin from your favorite list, just simply click here and then on the coin name. Then if we go right here we see that right now I'm not on the newest version of trading terminal. A new version is available, so if I want to update, I just simply click on it and then OK. Over here, current time. This line shows the last trade I made on this trading terminal. I think this was the one I did. Bottom mode, signals or manual, is used in order to receive signals from Telegram. More detailed about how to connect Telegram to trading terminal watched in my previous video tutorial. Over here there is a help tab. If you click on it, it's gonna open up settings menu where you can see a list of different help options. So it's first one is inline help, then manual on a website, or a live chat in the Telegram. Another important feature in Trading Terminal is reports. To open up a report, just simply click on Reports tab and you'll get this kind of table. This table shows all trades opened and closed it was made in particular amount of time. So for instance, right now I'm showing all trades that I made today, which is April 8th. In order to go back in history, just simply change the date to day wherever you want, let's say April 1st. For user convenience, profit trades are printed in green color, whereas negative trades are shown as red. As well as that, you can select specific time period as far as like choosing an hour or minutes. So let's say if I want to see a report only for April 1st, I'm clicking April 1st 2019, then 00, and to April 1st 23:59 2018. And after that it's gonna show you the statistic of trades which were made on this specific date. Right here at the bottom there is information regarding the average order size, the total amount of orders, average size if it's a BTC pair is gonna be in BTC and then USD, equal amount, total profit or loss in USD, and then percentage from the average order, which is in this case it's $1,487. In the table there is a bunch of different columns, but most of them are simple to understand. For instance, the first one is relates to the coin name, then the buy date, close date, buy price, sell price, profit in US dollars, profit in percentage, source manual, it states that trade was made manually, because there is also like auto trade options in the strategies. Then the comments like how this trade was catched up. So in this case chart was opened up by auto detect, and then I place the order manually and close it manually as well. A sell reason, if the price reached the sell price, or I just manually sell it by market, then is it completed or not. Delta Bitcoin, 24-hour Delta Bitcoin, overall Delta market, then 24-hour market Delta, and Delta Bitcoin for last 5 minutes. You can actually customize all of these columns simply by going to table settings and check or uncheck columns that you don't want to see. Let's say we can turn on profit in BTC and then see how much of bitcoins we lost or gained in specific trade. So in fact you can make this table is much smaller if you just leave like simple coin name, probably buy and close date, price and profit, and it's gonna be enough. Having a nice statistic like this is really important in order to track your progress, how you're performing with your trades, and to see which months you did most of profit, which one was positive or negative, and stuff like that. Also there is a emulator box for check marks, so if you check this it's gonna show you only trades which was made in emulator mode, not the real one, so it's kinda easy to separate trades in that way. Then there is also like different filters, let's say to show all trades, then active only positions, closed only, or all included deleted. So in this situation I have not delete any records in this table, so it's proven right here and says encrypted, date of it, when it was encrypted, and no deleted orders. It's important when you see someone's table with the profit, and this can prove that this also when you click on the coin name right here, it's gonna show you the situation in which trade was made. It's gonna be saved in history, but not for a long time, and in order to have it saved for a longer time, just simply select the record and then click here and mark it as an important. In order to delete the record, you need to click delete button, but after that this sign is gonna disappear. Also, if you wanna transfer this data into the Excel, just simply click on this button and it's gonna save all information in Excel file. If you wanna see trades only which relates to specific coin or specific auto detect, just simply write here the coin name or auto detect name. So let's say if you wanna see all trades for Tron, just simply type TRX and then it's gonna show you all trades for TRX coin and profit or loss respectively. The next thing is gonna be markets. So to open up markets, just simply click on this tab, you'll get this table. Here is a list of all altcoins paired with BTC available on Binance. List of them, you can search for a coin, let's say AVX. Right. Another important thing is show markets tabs. So just simply click right here and you'll get this table. So pretty much it shows all altcoins listed on Binance and paired with Bitcoin. I'm gonna explain basis of this table. So let's say if you wanna search for a specific coin, let's say it's ZRX, simply type the name right here, and this is information regarding this coin on the current moment. So the daily volume is 642 bitcoins. This is the hourly volume, ask price, hourly high, then it's hourly delta change 0.5% and 15-minute change, which is in this case 0.2%. And if you want to open the chart with the coin, just simply click here. Alright, another tab is strategies. Strategies can be used either for auto trading or can be used as a detects in order to detect market movement. And once that movement is detected, trading terminal is gonna open up window with coin immediately. More detail about strategy and how to set up them I'm gonna explain in a future video tutorials. Going forward, right here in this area we got information regarding the opened coins. So in this case it's Ethereum. If we click right here on the name, it's gonna open up the Binance exchange platform and the chart with the coin. If you want to close the chart, just simply click on this cross. Right here we have information regarding delta, means price change. So in 3 hours the price was changed within 2.7%, then 0.9% within 1 hour, and then 0.4% within 15 minutes. HV represents hourly volume, which is 285, and DV states for daily volume, which is in this case 16,627. This button used in order to do instant buy depends on the settings right here. So let's say if our settings is set up like to -1, so it's gonna be -1% from the current price, and we click buy, it's gonna automatically place the limit order. If you wanna cancel that order, simply click cancel buy or right click and then cancel. Let's say if you wanna place a different buy price, let's say plus 0.5% above the current price, so it's gonna proceed with the purchasing by market. So click buy, and it's gonna automatically buy it on the closest price available in the order book. For a panic sell, click on this button. Then right here in red it tells how many percent of order was sold. In this case it was filled completely 100%, but on the big orders like 1 Bitcoin or 5 Bitcoins, it's quite often when order is not filled completely, like by 10%. This button states for placing the order. You can place it with the more detailed setups. Here you can set up order size and buy type, buy stop or sell price, then order conditions, buy price, sell price, and stop loss. More detailed about stop losses, trailing stop, take profit, volume stop, I'm gonna explain in my future video tutorials. There is an option in the trading terminal to blacklist coins, so it won't pop up and you won't see it. So in order to do that, just simply click here on the log, and then this coin is gonna be ignored by your auto text. Same next tick, but opposite is favorite. You can add coin to the favorite and then see it right there. If you wanna open up the coin in trading view, simply click on this button. This button is used to share the situation in the Telegram channel. More detail about that I explain in video tutorial of how to connect Telegram Messenger to trading terminal. These two parameters are used to turn on or off iceberg buy or sells mode. Right there is indicated minimum lot size for a specific coin. Let's say for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the minimum lot is equal to $6. Down here we see information about multi-orders. So multi-orders right now on, it can be turned off or on right here, but I need to remind that multi-orders is only available for those users who obtained Moonscalp add-on. B and C states for how many buy orders and sell orders respectively you have opened at this time. Alright, down here below the chart we have a timeline, and this space right there is used to show all open orders. So let's say if you wanna buy a coin right now, we're gonna see that our order is placed in this field. So we can see the coin name, if we have a stop loss or on off, trailing stop or volume stop, buy price, sell price, current price. It can be green or red. If it's green, that means the price is going up, and the profit gain or loss. Right there we have information about order filling. Right now it's not filled, so 0%, and it's active. You can adjust price manually, or you can go right here and check the settings. Let's say you want to change sell price to 37 and then click OK, so it's gonna move up the price. In order to cancel order, just simply click on this cross and then confirm yes. This field down here is reserved to demonstrate log information. You can expand it or squeeze. Right there, information regarding connection. So right now it's green, means connection is fine. Then Binance timing. So right now I currently have a delay of 200 milliseconds. So in other words, it's a 0.2 second delay. Right there we have API load scale. So right now it's in green color, means good, but when you see a red, it means that API is heavily loaded and you can either close the charts or cancel some orders. Okay, moving to the next thing. Right here we have clock accuracy, so it's in green color right now. I have 55 milliseconds, but recommended number would be something between like 10 and 20 milliseconds. Then right there is a CPU load, so 3%, which is fine. This represents Telegram messages. When you connect trading terminal to the Telegram client, you'll see name of the channel right there. And right here, this message shows you whether you have a free version or pro version of trading terminal. Okay, there is also a few parameters with regard to user interface. So if you go to settings and then user interface, you can change the color theme. By default it's set to native, but there is several options including dark theme, or you can simply customize it by according to your own taste. As well as that, in the settings there is an option to show or not show log window, same with the order windows, and with the first launch of trading terminal you have this button demo mode, which is used just to demonstrate how trading terminal works. You can simply remove it by checking this parameter hide demo button. Alright, the last thing I want to mention is information in the chart itself. So right here we have price change, then the profit or loss on the current session. I'm on emulator mode and this trade gave me like virtual -$3, and wherever you have an order open, it's gonna show you right there information about this. So opened on half of Bitcoin, current loss or gain, and so on. Another important thing is the volumes. So right there we have a volume window. Currently it shows information for 1 minute period. So in 1 minute the buy volume was 2.2 Bitcoin and sell volume was 3.2. And in order to change the time interval, just simply right click and go to 3 minutes, 5, 15 or 30 minutes, and it's gonna show you information accordingly. If you wanna set up your own time period, let's say 90 minutes, then go to set n, type 90, and after that click on n minutes, so 90 minutes. Also, a part of time frame, it can also show buy and sell volumes based on the number of trades was made. So again, set the n number, let's say last 200 trades, and then right click end trades. So in last 200 trades we have a buy volume of 6.7 Bitcoin and sell volume of 9.9. Need to add to this video that there was a recent update to the trading terminal, and developers added new feature to the order book, the way how order book looks. So before we had only conventional way of showing order book, which is cumulative. So the amount, let's say, of coins in the bid section is growing as we scroll down. But they added also discrete way of showing the orders, so this allows us to figure out where the big order sits, and what's after. You see that the rest is much smaller ones, and then bigger one starts to be up there. Same with the bid section of order books. You can turn on or off this feature in the settings. So if you go to settings and user interface, these parameters are related to the order book, so we can make it darker or lighter, like more transparent. Same with the orders. So let's say if you wanna completely turn them off, I mean discrete order book, just put it to 0 and that's it, and we can make this one darker, or the opposite way, whatever works for you better. So this is a cool update which could help us to see what's gonna be with the price after break through the specific walls. So thanks to developers. This was pretty much it for the basis of user interface. Again, I'm gonna go more detailed about almost everything I explain in my future video tutorials, so please don't miss